Hi, I'm Alexander from Rene of Paris. Today I want to talk about Dazzling Wavez, and this is Dazzling Wavez right here. Dazzling Wavez is an amazing wig, and I absolutely love it. We've got a beach curl, we've got straighter ends, straighter roots to keep it really kind of fashionable. It's loose, it's playful, it's heat friendly, so you can make it your own, make it curlier or straighter. But for me, it's perfect as is. Just want to show you the side, so let me turn around a little bit. You see that continuity of that gorgeous curl. And let me just show you the back, because the back is gorgeous too. Very cool curls, quite hard to achieve as well. You know, as a stylist, achieving this has to be quite broken. You know what you're doing, so it's not too ringlety, and it gives it this really fashionable effect. Dazzling Wavez is a heat-friendly wig with a partial mono, extended lace, open wefted cap, and adjustable straps at the nape.